if it starts.
All right,
that's
maybe
the starter issue we got.
Yep, let's leave it at that.
Yep.
Hey everybody, it's Cam over at Redline. So we've got our 69 Chevelle here. We were doing our Holley EFI Sniper kit, full tank, full everything Holley, essentially the carburetor, everything. So what it ended up coming down to was we were getting ready to bolt up the headers. We got our new starter in, shimmed out perfect, and we went to go do the oil change that we normally do after doing a small build like this, and we found some catastrophic metal shavings in the magnetic drain plug. So per the customer's request, we are pulling the motor now, and we're going to drop the oil pan, and hopefully we don't see anything too terrible, but stay tuned and see what we find.
You look that bad?
Yeah.
All right. Good. Yeah, take it. Like you need it. But don't slow down.
You can go forward if you want.
Just keep going up. Don't stop going up. Yep. As you pump it forward. Yeah. We'll get a shot. Give me a sec.
Okay.
All right, good.
I don't know about the oil pan, let's get past it, but you let me know.
Up, take her up 2 clicks. There you go.
That should be over there. Yep,
Keep
no.
going, keep going. Clear? Yep. Alright, go kick your ass in. Out. Go and kick the bottom of that. Alright.
I got a lemon tray. How are we looking?
Look at his oil.
Oh, it's got fucking chunks of metal in this. It's all plastic.
Bottom of that hole for this bolt is right there.
Well, there is an oil point there. I think it's just a little bit that nailed down.
That's shitty. I don't think we put those in. That's a oil hole.
No, I'm not saying it's put there. It's something that will work. There's supposed to be little holes there.
Yeah, they're supposed to be.
Like that,
Yeah, he says like that.
Yeah, like
now
this.
it's just got an open screen.
Yeah, like that hole right there should have been an oil hole.
Jesus, dude.
One time.
That's nice.
Goodies in there?